I found the perfect spot. Now to plant these seeds. Time for you to grow, little seed.
I covered the seed and watered it. Now it can grow. Come on. Come on. What's inside?
I'm getting hungry. Oh. How long is this gonna take? It's been hours.
I can't find it. It's supposed to be right here. Oh no, I think it's gone.
I wish they actually worked. Wow, look at that! Wait, Alex, look at this. What is it, Lily?
It's been days. Nothing. Not a sprout. I don't get it. Why won't it grow? Maybe we're planting it in the wrong spot. Let's check the map.
Oh, silly, you need to wait just a little longer. Look at the steam.
Oh, I see. Wow, it's really cooking now.
That's right. Just a bit more time.
Got it.
Wow, look! It's glowing!
We found it! It's amazing!
Look, the water is staying on top. It's not soaking in at all.
Wait,
It's starting to change.
look! Whoa! It's
Wow. Whoa. That's incredible. It's really growing. Oh, wow.
The seed starts so tiny, but inside there's enough energy to make it grow this big. Wow, that's incredible. Wow, look at that. It's cracking open. It's growing. Look at them grow.
Whoa.
That's amazing. They're so strong.
we did it!
You can do it. Just a little more. You're almost there. Oh, wow.
Look at the brave little seed pushing up. It's so strong. Wow! Watch this. It's pushing and pushing and pushing and...
Wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. Come on, let's go. Look, Alex. This magical sand shows us why time is so precious. Every grain matters. Wow, Lily, what happens out? You have to be very patient to find the rare rainbow macaw. I understand. Patience is key. Perfect. This is the sunniest spot. Look, I found it. I knew you could do it. Wow. Yay!
You're doing great, little guy. Drink up. Grow big and strong.
Good night, little plant. I'll see you in the morning. Nothing yet, but I'm not worried. The adventure continues.
Look, I got one. Me too, it came out easily. Now the plant will grow better.
Yay! Don't worry, little guy. I'll protect you.
The sun is out. Let's make this pot shine. Perfect. Ready for anything. Almost ready, buddy.
Yeah, it looks good.
Wow! Amazing! Look! This is incredible! Lily! Look! Lumhirk! Come here quickly!
What is it, Alex? Yes, we did it. All right.
That's fantastic!